In fact, the state machinery has sought time to file their reply to the bail application, citing that there are Zilla Panchayat elections. That is what is the ground they have filed, and they have filed an application to that effect. This is ongoing, that is what they claim. But since their reply has not come forth, we will not be able to comment also. Also, we will not know what is their case brought forward.
But your client is co-owner as per record.
See, I will not comment. Let the documents come through, let the investigation come through, let them put up their case. We will counter it.
Today they have sought time to file a reply to my application for bail. My primary case is there is absolutely no connection that my client has with this incident. I am a businessman from Delhi and I am unnecessarily dragged into this.
मजगती हडफड्या बर्च वाय रोमियो लेनाच्या प्रॉपर्टीचो धनी सुरेंदर कुमार खोसलाचो अजून पत्तो लागूंक ना. ताचे आड ब्लू कॉर्नर नोटीस इश्यू करपाची तयारी चल्ल्या.
In the Birch Fire case, Goa Police has initiated the process for issuance of Blue Corner Notice against another accused. A press note issued by Goa Police says that Goa Police has initiated the process for issuance of an Interpol Blue Corner Notice against UK national Surinder Kumar Khosla, the owner of the property on which the unauthorized structure housing the nightclub Birch Fire Romeo Lane was functioning. Goa Police is coordinating with CBI, which is the nodal agency which will work with the Interpol for issuance of this Blue Corner Notice. This Blue Corner Notice will help Goa Police in asserting the whereabouts of Surinder Kumar Khosla, who is absconding in this case and he is suspected to be residing in UK. Goa Police wants his custody for the investigation in this case.
जाल्यार बर्च बाय रोमियो लेनाचे धनी गौरव आणि सौरभ लुथरा इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनाक कोऑपरेट करिनात म्हूण सुत्रांकडल्यान कळटा. ते खंय पुराय दोष मॅनेजरांचेर घालतात. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.